This is just a quick video to demonstrate how to install our clips on both the Tarter 8-foot pools and both sizes of the Behlen poly stock tanks. So first thing first, turn it upside down, lift it up in there, pull it in towards the center of the pool, and rotate it. Keep it pulled towards the inside of the pool. Now it's on. And to install the accessories, same as on the other ones, just drop them on there. Then to remove the clip, same thing, just reverse the process, rotate it back in, slide it out, it's off. Show you that again. To put it on, upside down, slide it out towards the edge, rotate it, slide it out in towards the center again, and then rotate. And that's all there is to it. Reverse it again to get it back off. Here's a view from the inside.